Can you introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Elnife Heredera, 40 years old, single, no kids. I live at Western Bicutan, Taguig City. I am second in the family. I have 3 brothers and 3 sisters.
Do you have any experience in working abroad before as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. I have experience in Singapore on November 2025 to December 2025.
How about in the Philippines? Do you have any experience working as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. I have experience as a domestic helper here in the Philippines for 15 years.
What are your main duties in your previous employer?
My main duties are taking care of elderly, taking care of pets, doing household chores.
Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
I choose to work in Hong Kong because it's a higher salary and I want to help my family and I want to save money.
Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am. Can cook steamed fish, fried vegetables, pork soup.
Are you willing to learn more?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about an elder person?
Yes, ma'am.
What if the baby has a fever? What will you do?
I will check the temperature and report to the parents and follow the instructions.
What can you teach to your employer's children?
I can teach good manners and how to read and write and to be a good child.
Can you sing a nursery song? Can you give an example?
Yes. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars, how I wonder what you are.
What kind of employer are you looking for?
I'm looking for kind and good employer, understanding.
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
I am kind, hardworking, honest, and patient.
Can you give a short message to your future employer so that they will hire you?
To my future employers, if you would hire me, I will do my best to do my duties and follow the instructions and to treat your family as my own family. And that's all. Thank you.